Big round of applause. Class drawing class from the cardiac department.
A.L. Heck, the local MLA of Kwah, as well as the Minister of Veterinary and other departments. I'm very glad that this institution, headed by our parish priest, Father Pascal, lent access to the people of these neighboring localities to come to associate themselves and to avail the facilities of healthcare in today's program. Happy to know that RE Hospital, located at Jorabad, is now operational.